Hello friends, welcome to Support Kuro. From today onward, I'm going to start a Python tutorials. So if anyone wants to learn Pythons, please join this tutorial so that you will get the notification whenever I upload a new video. So now let's start with Python introductions. So in this video, we will cover these topics: what is Pythons and what can Python do, why Python is needed, and what is the good point to know, and Python syntax compared to other programming languages. So now, what is Python? Python is a popular programming language. It was created by Guido van Rossum and released in 1991. It is used for web development, server-side, software developments, mathematics, and system scripting. Now, what can Python do? Python can be used on server to create web applications. Python can be used alongside software to create workflows. Python can connect to database systems. It can also read and modify files. Python can be used to handle big data and perform complex mathematics. Python can be used for rapid prototyping or for production ready software development. Now, why need Python? Python works on different platforms like Windows, Mac, Linux, Raspberry Pi, etc. Python has simple syntax similar to the English language. Python has syntax that allows developers to write programs with fewer lines than some other programming languages. Python runs on interpreter, meaning that code can be executed as soon as it is written. This means that prototyping can be very quick. Python can be treated in procedural way, an object-oriented way, or a functional way. Now, what is the good point to know about Python? The most recent major version of Python is Python 3, which we shall be using in this tutorial. However, Python 2, although not being updated with anything other than security updates, is still quite popular. In this tutorial, Python will be written in a text editor. It is possible to write Python in an integrated development environment such as Thorny, PyCharms, NetBeans, or Eclipse, which are particularly useful when managing larger collections of Python files. Now, Python syntax compared to other programming languages. Python was designed for readability and has some similarities to the English languages with influence from the mathematics. Python uses new lines to complete a command, as opposed to programming languages which often use semicolon or parentheses. Python relies on identification, using white space to define a scope, such as a scope of loops, functions, and classes. Other programming languages often use curly braces for this purpose. Thanks for watching.